My current role at Dimerix is of product development manager, and I'm responsible for advancing the pharmaceutical assets within drug discovery and development environment. The role focuses on end-to-end product development, chemistry, manufacturing and controls, strategy, lots of stability programs for the drug substance and the drug product, and the overall ensuring the readiness of the clinical and commercial stages, and also managing and coordinating with the licensees and the development partners. By training, I'm an analytical chemist with a PhD in inorganic and analytical chemistry. I've also done the master's in the financial management to understand the business aspect of the side. I've been working in the pharmaceutical industry for the last 27 years, and I have worked with both generic pharma companies as well as the drug discovery companies as well. The main objectives of my roles are the product development. That's the biggest responsibility that I have. Managing the chemistry, manufacturing and controls at both the partner size as well as in-house responsibilities. Managing global manufacturing partners, the manufacturing schedules, service providers and the licensees. Generating the stability data and support all the regulatory submissions for Dimerix. Ensuring timely completion of clinical trial supplies, and also maintaining and leading the quality function as a part of quality management system. What excites me most about my work at Dimerix is the opportunity to translate innovative drug discovery science into tangible therapeutic candidates, which is a rare opportunity and not everyone gets hands on it. The real potential is to improve the patient outcomes and managing the unmet needs. So that's something that I'm contributing as a part of my skill set. And I enjoy sitting at the intersection of science, the development, the business partnerships, wherein I contribute directly to the CMC and the stability strategies while closely working with the licensees. So that's something very exciting. The journey itself is so exciting and brings in lots of challenges every day. That makes it really special. I'm quite excited with the way the team has built the clinical trial design, and very recently we finished the patient recruitment. We hit our target, and I'm so happy for the clinical trial team because I have been only assisting them for the last 3-4 months, but I have understood how much hard effort and support that they have actually generated throughout the Dimerix, and I really hope that this study goes through as a big success for us, and that's what is really the highlight and proud moment for me. I started my career as an analytical chemist in the generic drug development company, and then when I actually got exposed to the contract research and manufacturing business, I literally enjoyed working in drug discovery. So I've worked for lots of biotech companies as a service provider, and this is my first instance where I'm actually an employee for a biotech company, and that to a proud biotech company like Dimerix, where we are doing in-house research and making it through to all the clinical stages of development, and I'm pretty sure we will hit the target. So that's something that has been really inviting me to the biotech sector as itself, the opportunity, the excitement, and being part of the company that translates science into therapies. It's kind of a mix of routine as well as special jobs, which I deal with lots of challenges every day. So there are lots of things that we do as a checkbox activity, but at the same time, there's a significant part of my job that involves strategic coordination, the relationship management, working closely with licensees, our partners, service providers, to align technical and regulatory expectations. So it's a blend of science and problem solving, as well as collaborating with strong communication skills, and that's what you need to demonstrate. So that's something doesn't come as a part of role job description, but definitely something that people would be surprised of, that how much hard work that actually demands. The combination of challenge the responsibility and also the freedom that comes with the role. So I have the freedom to apply my knowledge in a meaningful way. I can take the decisions, obviously, with lots of justification in the discussions with the team members, experts in the field. But that kind of a freedom is something that really I'm cherishing at the moment. At the same time, it gives me lots of complex challenges every day, wherein we have to come up with the solutions, tackle the usual issues, and ensuring that we have the success, long-term success for the company. Looking ahead, especially from the Dimerix perspective, the DMX 200 is particularly exciting. We finished recruiting, now we are in phase 3, and I'm pretty sure the way we are currently going, obviously handling all the challenges, but I'm pretty sure we'll hit the target. What I enjoy most working at Dimerix is the sense of being part of a very closely knitted group. We work next to each other in the same office, collaborate very closely every day. The team culture is excellent, genuinely celebrating each other's success. We are very supportive. Every team member motivates each other. And I also value working with organizational leaders who truly understand the science, enabling meaningful discussions and making informed decisions. And above all, most important, is the flat organization structure, which encourages the open communication, shared ownership, and the strong sense of teamwork. That's something that I really cherish at Dimerix. The theme that I always loved, being 70s and 80s kid, obviously there are a few songs that comes to my mind, but the one that I'll choose is the Final Countdown. It's the three reasons, main reasons. Was its dramatic synthesizer introduction, the sense of built up that song has, and it's kind of really matching the frequency of the environment that Dimerix is having right now. The DMX 200 is in the late stage of trials with lots of major inflection points. So it's kind of symbolizes the focus, the preparation, and very much at high stakes. So it's kind of building up this situation. So I'll take that as a song, The Final Countdown. Definitely, nobody knows at Dimerix, but I love acting and dancing. So I've been performing in the dramas and historical plays. That's like feeding my creative side in a different way, away from the science job. So yeah, so I'm currently active in social areas as well. So doing lots of participations. Yes, I'm currently hooked on to Gymron, which is focusing on personal development, bringing in lots of self-discipline, changing the mindset. So that's something I'm actually listening to right now. And also I'm obviously looking at his podcast, the YouTube videos. So yes, that's really helping me a lot. Yes, other than the social work that I do, I'm also part of a not-for-profit organization, which brings in lots of knowledge sharing with the students, the migrants, and also the Australian community itself, wherein we help people from different categories in terms of different backgrounds and help them to do the training in different areas, be it AI, be it in terms of the communication skills, learning the fundamentals of finances, and also conducting the activities which are of social health nature, kind of where we bring in experts and provide the support to the communities. So that's kind of a thing that I love. So I usually have an hour or so every week dedicated for this work. I'm currently hooked on to AI. So prompt engineering is something I'm actually mastering. So I'm focusing on a lot of training in that area as well. No hesitation at all. I would have been definitely a professional cricketer. Because I love that sport a lot. I have been following this since my childhood. So yeah, perfecting my game plans, debating team selections, discussing pitch conditions with the teammates. Unfortunately or fortunately, the Bartek sector has won, so it's definitely much more inclination in terms of the other side of my character. Definitely one I remember is from my ex-boss, who used to be the president of pharmaceutical development at Piramal. I'm happy to name him, Dr. Manish Nerurkar. And the best advice that he gave me is be the best in whatever you do. It doesn't matter what area you belong to, but do your best and be the best in that field. Whether it could be a specialist area, it could be a generalist, but make sure that you are the best in that particular zone, because that's what gets counted.